He walked into court facing up to 10 years in prison for his third DWI. But what happened over the next few minutes changed everything. The judge gave him one final chance, but with conditions that could completely reshape his future. Watch until the end to see the sentence, the warning that stunned the courtroom, and why the judge said, "You're one of those people who cannot drink at all."
All right, who's here on Ronnie Serna? Probation, this is an application. Court is calling 2026 CR 001788 State versus Ronnie Serna. Can I have parties announced?
Trey Maurer for Mr. Serna.
Are you chewing gum? Yeah, they say don't swallow it because they would always tell young children it will mess with your intestines.
Sorry about that.
No problem. All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Serna, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Just 1 second. Oh, to the clerk? I don't have his indictment. Did you review the indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are you waiving the indictment?
We are, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Serna, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Thank you. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Serna, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his rights to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,400 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's no application for deferred. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, sir.
State defense.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition of probation, 120 hours community service restitution, DWI intervention, VIP, ignition interlock for half the term, 2-year license suspension, DOEP, and MRT. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offer states one in attachments.
No objections.
All right, and state before you are excused, with regards to the 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, do you have any objection if he serves that on GPS? All right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, are you still on the portable alcohol monitoring device?
Yes, Your
Are you driving?
No.
Okay. And you want to remain on that device?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so as long as you're on that device and not on ignition interlock, you're not allowed to drive. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any children?
No.
Do you live by yourself or with someone?
With family.
All right. When you say family, who is?
Mom and dad.
Okay. Are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
Machine operator at International.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. Make sure to test for ethanol. 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. There is to be a $1,400 fine. That will be probated. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow recommendations. However, if it recommends inpatient treatment, start with outpatient treatment. 120 hours of community service restitution. I'll deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting that's completed. Continued with the portable alcohol monitoring device with an affidavit of non-driving. And I believe that affidavit of non-driving has previously been submitted. DWI intervention course, VIP live, 2-year license suspension. With regard to the 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, you can either do 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. If so, they'll take you into custody today. You're served 10 days flat. Or if you want to, I can do a partial GPS. If you're going to be working, then the GPS will have to be on for 20 days, and I'll ask that the GPS fees be waived. What do you prefer?
GPS.
All right, so here's the thing with the GPS. That means I'm doing partial for work, so you're only allowed to work. All right, so if you're driving and you see a McDonald's or whatever and you want to stop, you're not allowed to. You understand? And that's for 20 days.
Sure.
All right, so there's going to be 20 days partial GPS, waive fees, and it's for employment only. For the record, the court is ordering 20 days GPS because the court is finding it would be a hardship on the defendant due to his employment and also due to help ease overcrowding at the jail. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation. Is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, so here's the thing. People never have the intention of drinking, picking up a DWI, drinking, hitting somebody or killing somebody or getting in an accident. But the problem is once you start drinking, you don't realize that you're impaired because you think you can handle it. But my statistics professor will be upset with me for saying this, but this is what I've noticed. What I've noticed is that usually people who are intoxicated and they're driving, they get in an accident, they walk away just fine, but either their passenger dies or they hit somebody whose life has changed forever. So you're one of those people who cannot drink at all. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So don't drink. You're not allowed to do it. And you're not allowed to do it on this probation, okay?
Yes, Your
All right, good luck to you.
Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, who's next?
Judge, may I very briefly ask you about Mr. Foz? He's not out here, and I have received an offer on him
Who is it?
for Joseph Foz.
Oh, just have a seat. Oh,
Sorry.
yeah, with probation.
Sorry about that. Judge.
One decision can change a life forever, and this courtroom proves it. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, legal cases, and powerful judge speeches, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next case. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next courtroom.